Alright, hopefully we're working. Looks like I got audio. That level's good. Oh, looks like my hat's got some green in it, so it might disappear into the ether. But yeah, working on DevStream Live. The actual website is devstream.live, which is like Inception a little bit because I'm working on DevStream Live while streaming on DevStream Live. So this is my actual stream. You can get to chat here. Yeah. So I haven't touched this codebase in a while, but if I remember correctly, I was working on inertia, mainly because my branch is called inertia. And it looks like I committed everything. So let's see where we're at, because the homepage is apparently not using inertia. Let me check something real quick. This could probably use some font increase. 150 should be good. Let's see, git log. Well, looks like I've been whipping it, so that's not very useful. Alright, let's see where we were. Resources, views, app.blade is normally, yeah, inertia, partials beta, and inertia. And I got this here, and inertia's here. Okay, so it looks like we were just trying to see if we could get inertia running. Let's just redo the whole database because I don't want to deal with that. Okay, looks like the font's okay. If you guys join, just let me know if something's off and I can get it fixed. Let's see here. It's really hard to figure out where you're supposed to be. Welcome. Let's go to web. Hold on here. Welcome controller. So let's open welcome controller, index, latest streams, blah blah, inertia render, welcome. So we're supposed to be rendering this welcome view, which should be in JS pages welcome, which this is it here theoretically. But this would seem to indicate we're not getting that. It might be because we might have had npm run hot that we're not doing right now. So let's fire that up. And then if we refresh this, we might have something better. There we go. Now it's gonna, yes. Apparently I decided I was changing the header as well. Okay, and we got inertia. Alright, this is good. This is good. Now, can we get to a stream? We can, but that did not look like inertia. Alright, so let's go to the welcome view. Let's see what we got here. Hopefully that's not too small. Okay, so this is... Alright, see, all these A tags have to be switched to inertial links. And this is copied stuff from Tailwind UI. Oh, I don't know what sort of formatter this thing did, but it's ugly. Fix that stuff. Okay. I don't think that broke anything, yeah. Alright. Lots of A tags need to be switched. And then when we get into these stream cards, so let's see, stream card view component. Yeah, so this needs to be like inertia link and inertia link. And then I should switch these to inertia links. Is the stream controller. And we go to the show, and it is loading stream show, which is a inertia link as well. Okay, that's good. All right. Alright, so let's fix all these navigation links, I think, because these are all like full-on links. Yeah, full postbacks. So let's just stick with the welcome. Let's just work on this. Close to the right. Alright, so anything with an A tag. This is the logo, which currently goes nowhere, but it should go to slash. And let's change this to inertia link. Okay, we got buttons, blah, blah, blah. Okay, this is, let's wrap. Home, so that should be an inertia link. I wonder if I should just like, yeah, we'll just replace all of them, it's fine. Now we just replaced all A tags with inertial links theoretically, so. No, we got a console error. Inertial link has no matching end tag. Did I break something? Oh, I did. Look at this, because these A links are terrible. There we go. Log in. Right, see, when it pops up in the box, that means that the page that you try to send it to does not have an inertia link. Alright, let me check something on Twitter real quick. Oh. Alright, 1 second, let me grab something. Alright, sorry about that. I'm back. Right. So we switched all the inertia links, and if it shows in that box like that, that means we don't have it. If I go to streams, that must be an inertia link. That's good. If we go to sign up, that is not found, so register. Oh, right, because I currently have it disabled. I think I'm just going to fix this and make it. Well, I think I had a list of things I need to get done first before I make it live. Alright, make some noise. Doesn't go anywhere. There's an inertia link to slash, and this is going to be like streams. Great, I think. Yeah, which is going to make you log in. What's this here? Camera property decent. Oh yeah, that's because that doesn't have one. Okay. All right. All right. Not sure if I want to mess with the login pages yet. All right, okay, so we have two things here. We have live streams and latest streams, and the welcome controller does have both, but I think why did I comment these out? I don't know why. These should be working okay. Oh, probably because I wanted to see what the, yeah. So if I hit watch, it takes me to streams, which shows live streams first, and this is, yep, privacy policy takes me there, but that's in the footer, which I need to change. App, I think I'm just going to get rid of the beta, because I don't think I need it anymore. Like this scrolling thing. Alright, because I put the inertia there to make sure that whatever page I was on has inertia set up. It's looking pretty good. What's this? Property to profile live streams already declares a prop. Okay. Alright, so if we have one of these live streams, it doesn't work. It's supposed to bring chat in here, but that doesn't work for known reasons. Alrighty, let's see. So why don't we try to get the login working? So I recently did this in another app, and if we go to login controller, and you go to authenticates users, you can find the show login form, and we can override that. So let's throw that down here, and we say return render, or no, inertia render, and then we go auth/login, and then we go to our JS. Why is that expanded? Our resources, JS, pages, new folder, we'll call it auth. We'll create a new file called login.view, and then we can go into login blade, right? And then we can pretty much copy a lot of this. We do need to modify some of it, but that's okay. So get my template, and let's just paste this in for now. Get that right here. Okay. So anything that's Laravel is like this. Route login, which I'm pretty sure is /login. We still want to do a form. There's nothing wrong with this. This needs to change because it's no longer view. So it's like input type hidden. Name is _token, and colon value equals CSRF. Okay, and then in here we have props, or I think we want computed. CSRF equals, we're going to return, I think it's $page.auth.csrf. We haven't done anything with this yet, I don't think. Auth service provider, yeah. So if we go back to Brave, and we go to inertiajs.com, there is a share data. Yeah, here we go. So this is flash messages. Here we go, yeah. So we have lazily and synchronously. And I think we want lazily similar to this, right? So I think it goes in the boot method. All service provider. No, we want app service provider. There we go. Oh, look at this. Yeah. See, look, we already have CSRF. Good, perfect. Auth CSRF. Perfect. So if we go back here, old email, yeah. So we need to take out all these old ones. Yeah, this value old stuff doesn't work anymore. So we can probably just remove value. What's this? Error stuff. Yep, blade error stuff's not going to work anymore. So that's some of it. What else? So it looks like we didn't even hook up the forgot your password thing. Let's see. So the real question is, like, does the CSRF token get passed into this? Oh, we need to be on a login page. Console $page is not fine. So is it this page? It is. And do we get our CSRF? We do, see? So now it's on the form, which is good. And our form action is opposed to here, which is good. And we need our email address, and we need our password. So, okay, so theoretically we may have gotten a correct post, I'm not sure. Let's see if we can go to streams, go to watch, stream. Okay, so it's still getting here. So we may have gotten an error. So I think what I did in the app service provider, yeah, so I think I created a session, and then I had errors, and then I said session errors, not with a semicolon, right? And what this did was then give me session errors in the define errors. Oh, let's see. Errors, error handling, blade. Front end, blade templates, validation errors, message, and error title. Include shared errors, validation errors. We'll search for if there's any errors. Alright, for request validation, check for error messages, show all of them. Errors all? Is it just errors? Is that the problem? I just need this here. Let's see. Define variable errors. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, what app did I just do this in? Alright, Alright, one second. I'm going to create a new... I did it for a customer project, so I can't really show that code, but I want to look it up, and I only have the one screen right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new new thing. Just bear with me one, and I'm going to create a new scene so you're not like completely in the dark. One second. Alright, so you might be able to hear me now, and let me get the camera added. Audio input, image, video capture device. Yes, webcam ad source. Hey, look at that. Now like a floating, just a floating head. Isn't that great? Image. Well, look at that. It's like massive. This is like the best stream ever. You get to see me like messing with this stuff live. And this should be back here, and we'll put my webcam like here and maybe make it a little bigger. Sorry, now I'm just trying to get it centered because, you know, pet peeves. You really won't center, will you? Alright, well, that's good enough. Anywho. So while I bring this up, give me 1 second. I just want to look at this code and see. Service provider. Nope, I keep doing that. App service provider. Oh, look at that. Doing some fancy stuff here. Let's go back to live coding. Alright. So what I did there was this. Wait, that's like a function. Did I really have like... Must have been. So yeah, let's see what we get now. Session not found. Of course. There we go. Now, do I have errors? Session errors. Okay, so see, as session errors is empty. So let's try to send something. Okay, so we got redirected back, but we should have errors. And we do, and we got email, and these credentials don't match records. Perfect. Okay. This is good. Alright. So now, in our login view, we can go down here. We can add another computed one for errors. and return this page session errors. And now we have the errors locally, right? And so this is the password, this is input, right? So right here we should have like a div with a margin top of, let's say 2. And here we'll say like if errors, and well, it should always have errors dot email, and then we'll do errors dot email 0. Right? Maybe? Yeah, look at that. Bam. Right? So now we just add some small other stuff like text, extra small, text, red, 500. Yeah. Maybe something darker than that. 600? Yeah, 600 is a little better. That looks terrible to me. I just don't like how that looks for some reason. It like looks real bad on my screen for some reason. What's this red here? I know that's like a temporary thing, but put a red 500. It's 500, but the 500 looked worse than the 600 in my opinion. What's 700 look like? I don't know why I refreshed it. I didn't have to do that. He said 2 red. Alright, that's pretty good. Alright. So, now I need to figure out what sort of seeder I have. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, see, that's why one didn't work. Okay, so, alright. That's great. Does sign out work? Sign out does work. So apparently we did do some work on the nav. Let's see, navigation.view. Log out, prevent default. Okay. Yeah, and here's our href logout form. Yes, this is good. Of course, this is all not right. So let's fix these. So these should all convert to inertia links, which is good. So login now actually goes to a login page. Forgot your password goes nowhere. So we should fix that, but that's okay. What about the footer? Footer has its blade, which should be fine. Can we convert this to an inertia link though? I'm not sure because it's technically not in the blade. Yeah, it doesn't. It's not in the app, so I think we're gonna have to leave this as a tag because our layout app. Oh, it's not in the layout app. It's just the app blade. You can see the partials footer is outside of the inertia, so inertia doesn't know anything about it. But there is a inertia layout. This layout view, which I could put it in here because we have navigation. So I should probably move the footer in here. Yeah. Well, we have it, so let's do it. Components. Let's create a new file. Let's do footer.view. Create our template, which I don't think we're actually going to need any JavaScript for, maybe. And then footer blade, and we pretty much copy this. And let's just paste this in here. And this is commented out. So it looks like a Twitter link, which I mean is fine. I don't know why. Layout. Let's do this. Console. Oh, I can't do that. Footer and footer. Expected token. Footer, all this stuff. Where's the Twitter thing? I don't see the Twitter thing at all. Twitter? Over order 2. Privacy policy. Yeah, so we still have this like all rights reserved thing. Flex item center justify between justify center order 2. Oh, medium order 2. So order 1 and order 2 is like flipping these things, probably for resizing. Yep. Okay. But I'm still not getting it. Why am I not getting it? Oh, Inertia's not loading. I think it's because my layout file is using footer. Well, let's see if I actually have to have a open and a closing. Does that make a difference? Doesn't look like it. How about we do DevStream Live footer? I think technically that would make it like have to be hyphenated, right? Because it'd be like DSL footer or something like that, because that's how it hyphenates on that capitalization. I'm not going to leave it like this, no way, but I just want to confirm. Why is it not working? Because I'm on the login page, which I don't think handles the layout. Login view. Nope. Login view. Yeah, we're not using the layout here. But Inertia is using the layout. Right. App blade, we need to remove this. And now we won't see the footer anymore because it's not there. Because the layout, this is not working. Alright. DevStream Live footer. This is going to be here. We're still compiling, but I still don't see the footer. This is perplexing to me. Settings refresh. Article, slot, navigation. Alright, because which this is what I said before. This one is not using the footer. Right? So if we wanted the footer, we gotta move it here. But let's just go back to DevStream Live and see if we get our footer. Okay. I don't see a footer. This is also the welcome page. Okay, there's our footer. Perfect. Layout. Remove that. Okay, so the Twitter thing is not good. Footer view. Let's comment out this Twitter thing for now. Goes back to privacy policy. Big app name. App service provider. App name. Good. So should be able to remove this and say page app name. And then, because I don't know, JS show current year. Get full year on a date, I think. Shortest way to print current year on a website. Yep. New date, get full year. So if we just do that. There you go. 2020. Privacy policy. Good. Privacy policy is not an inertia link. Inertia link. Now it's theoretical inertial link. We click on this and it pops up here. Okay, console. Clear. Alright, streams. Click on a stream. This is a live one. Should have some chat. No, it's not a live one. Thinks it's a live one. It's not an actual live one. Okay. Alrighty. Alright, so now we've done the footer. Alright. Go on window bankruptcy right here. Alright, welcome to view. We got all this stuff. We don't have a footer and welcome, so we'll have to add it. So let's minimize this, and this, and this. Oh, we got some indentation issues right here. There we go. So in this, and this. And so it has to be here. So stream live footer. And we import stream live footer from slash components slash footer. And we go down here and we add footer. And without any luck, bam, there it is, good. Okay, login page does not have it either, so we open the login page. Alright, footer, oh, we don't have any components, so we'll copy this. There's that, and import, and footer. Am I forgetting something? Import. Yeah. I think I'm okay. What's wrong here? Can't find module.docs components for. Where's the login page? Oh, it's in the auth folder, so it needs another dot, I think. Boom. And we have our footer back. Good. Okay, now. Forgot password doesn't even exist right now, I don't think. Well, I mean, it probably does. It's like what password reset? Yeah, which looks completely terrible right now and is not inertial. Okay. Well, let's keep trucking with that. Stream's okay. I think there was a health thing I could put. What's this? Your stream quality is good. Yeah, that's good. Frames are good. No drop frames. CPU's fine. Yeah, we're doing great. And nobody chatting, but that's okay. We don't have to. It's fine. Alrighty. Right, let's fix this page. Okay. So now there is a password reset. So I think it's the forgot password controller, and then the sends password reset emails is show link request form, which is here. And here instead we're going to inertia render and it's gonna be auth slash it was like password email, so let's do auth email, and that's not gonna work right now. So page is auth, and then I think I'm just gonna duplicate this one. Duplicate, and we'll call it email. And then see, it says reset password, so we'll change this to say reset password. It has email address and send password reset link. So email address, that's not where it goes, we'll fix that. Remove password field, remove remember me and the forgot your password. And then this button is supposed to say send password reset link. Look at that. That's way better than the old one, I think. So if I hit login, hit forgot password doesn't exist because I didn't fix anything. Password reset. Right, so this is what it currently looks like, and let's, I guess I gotta look at the blade view, but where's the form pointing? form /password/email. Okay, so here we do password/email as opposed to email address, errors email. That should be okay because errors are in here, footer's in here, send password reset link. I think we're fine on this. Yeah. So, alright, gotta check something again. Open up hello. Oh, look at that. I don't know. Okay. Alright, so this is hello, or hello, or I don't know what the pronunciation is. I assume it's hello. But basically, we need to configure application to get emails. Laravel 7. What am I running? 761. Good. So I grab this. I go. It's probably already set up, but just in case. .env. Mail. Okay, so this is all like normal stuff. We'll put this in here and call this div stream live. Okay. So if I do go in here and say, hey, send me a password reset link, theoretically, get in, and look at that. See, password reset notification. It worked. But we didn't get a success message here. Okay. And I think that happens on the Flash session. Yeah. So let's look at the original template. So reset, password reset, reset password, error password, and error. I swear it was fine. Oh. I swear, I thought if you got one of these, you got some sort of what's up? Errors. Content wrap. Partial footer. Alpine. I was pretty sure that by default, a Laravel application would show like a flash message on that page that says stuff's been sent. Yeah, password. That's all error stuff, right? That's a button. That's input for confirm password. Oh, this is the wrong page. Email blade. Yep, here's your post. Blah, blah, blah. Back to login. Send password, error email, reset password. Here we go. Yeah. If session status. So, I think I'm going to go back into App Service Provider. We are going to add a status one. And do that. So now when the page loads, theoretically we should be able to get the session status. Okay, so in our email.view, let's see, we probably want it right under this box here, PG white. Okay, so let's basically copy this whole thing so it's like the exact same size. Padding 1, small pix, padding X. Maybe like a margin bottom 4. And let's just do a BG green. How about BG blue, like 200? Text blue. 600. And this will be status. And then we'll go down here, add a new computed one. status, and we'll see. Okay, so the box is here, but we only want it if there is a status. So we if status, boop, it's gone, and we put an email address. We hit send. Bam, perfect. Okay, so I don't think I want that. I think I want our DevStream live color. Where's the button? It's been so long. BG Teal 700 is what we're using. So let's do text blue. So yeah, BG white, BG blue too. So let's just do BG Teal like 200 and text orange 500 maybe. Oh, look at that. We can actually preview it without. So we were using, not 70. 70 is not a real thing. Yeah, that's too much. So, see, the teal just changes too much. I want to like almost like change the opacity or something. Maybe I just stick with the blue. Because it's like a info type thing. Like blue's 300. How is that blue like a purple? It looks purple to me. I don't know what it looks like to you guys. Man. What if we do a green? That's pretty good. Let's green. I feel like it's too strong. That's pretty good. Let's give it a border. Border green 600. Border. There you go. That's not bad. If you email your password, hit link. Yeah. Good. Alright, I think that works. If we go back to hello, we get the new one, and we click reset password, it takes us here, which we also don't have, okay? So let's go back in to reset password controller. Yeah, user reset passwords. And show reset form is this. So put this in here, and this should be eliminated HTTP requests. State class is imported. Okay, so here we do inertia, render. In this case, we're going to be off/reset. I think we can just do this here with token email. Like this. And now we need to create that reset, so we'll just save this as reset. Email address, password, confirm password. So I feel like we could probably just take the login form and copy that in the reset to start with. And it says reset password. I need email address and password, and then we can get rid of this remember me. And this is reset password. If we copy this, I'm pretty sure the field is like confirm password. Password confirm. I was close. Yeah, see, look, the name is different than the. Okay. So that's that. And if we refresh this, theoretically, there you go. Now, inertia should be sending this props. Is this page props? Props up. Oh, yeah. So this reset, we're not catching it. So we need to do props. And then we need email. Email is a string, and token is a string. Yeah, now we're getting this stuff. So this is the URL parameters, right? Email address here is token here. I feel like by default, Whoever apps don't pre-fill the email address, which, you know, I don't know. I mean, you already have it. I guess it forces you to type it in again, but, you know, what happens if you just... Alright, so reset blade. This is going to password update. So I just listened to the routes to figure out what password update is. It is password reset, okay. Because this form needs to be updated. We got the CSRF, we got emails, we got error email. So yeah, so if I reset password, errors, password must be at least characters, token field is required. All right, because we need to pass over the token. So I think we need to just call it regular token, and the value is token. And well, that's not right. Can't find a user with that email address. That's good. What else do we have? Here is just email. Okay. So the confirm password. So we have password and confirm password. There we go. And this should be a password field. Oh, type is password confirmation. That's how it happened. Okay. Good. So theoretically, if we do this, and I put a different password in, there you go. Perfect. Okay, so the other thing is the login forgot password thing is not going to the right place, which should be password email, right? The get method reset. It is. Okay, password reset. But this should be an inertia link. Right? So we go back to login. Oh, we sign out. We go to login. We then click forgot password. Good. Alrighty. Oh. I just drove 2 hours from out of town and decided I was going to try to stream tonight. Yeah, a little rough. Okay. So that's that. Is there any other aid tags on here? No. Okay. Alright, I think it's about time to whip this. Let's keep this code working. Alright. So the real question is, what pages on this website are not inertia anymore? Sign up, register is not found. Okay, so let's enable registration. Routes register false. So we just want this now. Register controller. Validator, create, redirect. Registers users, show registration form. Here we go. I'll put this after the constructor. And inertia, render, auth, register. What does a normal registration form look like in Laravel? I used to have this. Yeah, let's just do this real quick. So I used to do this. I always have this V Laravel, which is like a vanilla Laravel. It's like the standard application. Which this isn't going to work very well because I didn't do the auth flag. So I think I'm going to remove it and start over. I think it's -- auth. We shall see. There we go. So name, email, password, confirm password. Alrighty, let's see here. So login view, we'll save this as register. And so if I go here and I hit sign up, yeah, understand found. Apparently I didn't import it when I was doing it. There we go. And we have a page we can compare to. Register is what it says. There we go. Register, email address, password. We need to confirm password. We need to get rid of that other stuff and then have a register button. It's not bad. Let's see. Reset. Password underscore confirmation. Password. This password. Confirm. Whoa. Confirm. It's better. I assume it's probably post to register. So here we go, like that. Register. Somewhere this. Name, email address, password, confirm password. Name. Oh, we don't have a name. We need a name. So let's just grab this. We'll duplicate it. Name. Type is text. Here is name. Okay. Email address, small font, margin top 1, margin top 6. So this needs to go here. There we go. It's looking pretty good. So we just hit register. Okay, so we obviously got errors that didn't show. Session, errors, password. Yeah. So we need to basically copy this for password. I mean, I probably should be doing this on all of them. Password. Yeah, password must be at least 8 characters. Password confirmation does not match is also on here. Yeah, I don't know. I'm like 50-50 here because like I don't really want to have like 10 errors show up here if there's like 10 things. I'd rather just see the first error, but like it's also annoying to like know that there's multiple errors and not tell the user and then they keep having error after error after error when you could have just told them all, right? So yeah, I don't know. Alright, let's see if we can register. Bob at example.com. Register. Hey, look, it worked. Streams, would you like to create one? That's an inertia page, that's good. Yeah, this start date time we really need to make into probably like a flat picker. I'm really a big fan of flat picker. It looks real nice. upload a file. I think I have this currently as required, but we do have a default image that we'll use otherwise, so I wonder if I can change that. I don't know. We'll wait. We'll see what we do. I'm pretty sure. Do we get the error messages on this? Does not look like it. Because there should have been a post here. Or is that not working at all? Looks like create button's not working. Maybe that's where I left off. Who knows? Well, we can definitely commit that stuff. I think the registration page is working okay. Seems great. Alrighty. Click submit. Submit. Yes, get nothing. So. Oh wow, this is like not a layout title page header created stream. Stream diff from live. That's like the default text. Ready, let's see. Yeah, basically this only needs to be wrapped in a form tag. Need to make sure we have everything right, and then we do a full post back. What is this? Form list. Okay, this is like fancy stuff here. Oh, it's using Alpine.js, which is fine, except I'd rather not have Vue and Alpine.js, which means I need to rebuild this whole thing, which is probably why this isn't done, because it all needs to be ripped out. I mean, not all of it, but like, or did I just miss a thing here? Might have just missed it. I got update preview, because Xbind does not. That might be it there. These are working okay. The real question is, what does the input have on it, whether it's checked or not? That's good. Alright, let me check this file upload. I don't want to reveal my files in my file system. 1 second. Downloads. Sure, how about this image? Yes, this is a fancy image. So it looks like it's loading just fine. Click change, it goes away. Yeah, this is going on and off, so let's see. Yeah, well, the create button doesn't do anything. I don't know why I'm keep trying to do this. So we can't fully do a post right now. Key down space for friend. Yeah, like all that Xbind might have just been a leftover thing. So if we lay out, what's this? Is this okay? So if we just change this to a form, right? And then we do method equals post and action equals streams create, which I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And then we add our, input type, hidden name, CSRF, or I'm sorry, underscore token. don't need an ID, and we say value is CSRF. Right, and then we open login.view, so I can copy this CSRF logic here for computed. Right, so now we have a CSRF field. Ooh, that's a lot of console errors. Property method list is not defining this as per reference during render. Okay, so is there not a listed property down here? Listed, no. Form.listed, maybe that's the problem. Component, form, What did it start out when the page loaded? Looked like it was true. Yeah, true, false, true, false, true, false. Looks like it's working. Test, 2020, 1.1. This create needs to be submit. Right, cancel is supposed to take you somewhere else, right? So there should be like an inertia, dash link. This should be like href equals like slash home or something. Yeah, great. And then great. Post method last first round. Alright, so where we streams controller, stream test controller, stream controller. So it's like this store method here. So web stream show stream store, just the slash streams. That's easy to update. Okay, so we should have errors here. Session errors, yes. Start, thumbnail, and title. Good. Now we just need those error messages, which I think I'm gonna just steal from login.view again. Errors. Yeah. Errors. Well, let's get one of those nice little error boxes. Here. And we'll just drop this in, change this to be title, save, and yep, look, there we go. Right. Okay. All right. Just in case. Let me see something. Go here. This is the stream. Want to make sure it's working here. You have no audio? No, it is working. Good. And I look washed out of heck, but it looks like my green screen, I'm fading in the back some. But that's okay. Enough of Inception. Alright, so we're doing a full post. That's good. This is good. This is 2020-101. Let me pick a file real quick, 1 second. And then if I hit create, what do we get? it posts back again and says the thumbnail field is required. So somehow we're not getting, oh, we're probably not doing a good type of multi-part. Is it multi-part / form data? Yeah, there we go. It's probably that. So let's try again. Well, whatever. It's too late now. It's on the stream. Great. And thumbnail field is required again. Network. Post. Headers. Oh, sorry. Token, title, description, starting list on. Is the input for the file upload not working? From listed, it's listed stuff. And image, blah, 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 blah. Input type, thumbnail, thumbnail. Hidden. And change it to a preview. What is happening here? Is it because it's display none? Let's see. File, upload, display none. Input type file, hidden button. Yeah, so they got display none here. No, it doesn't work on Android for no tag match. For no tag have to match. The rest is just styling. Basically a 0. I got 47 answers. Yeah, display none shouldn't matter. So name is thumbnail, ID is thumbnail, stream controller is looking for thumbnail and saying is required. Somehow we're not getting thumbnail in the post. Yeah, because it's it here. Yeah, we got token, title, description, start, and listed on. But thumbnail is not getting sent for some reason. Okay, clearing everything. Submit. Here's my post. Once again, no thumbnail. Which makes no sense. Let's put this again. Let's see. Document.get element. By tag name. And the tag name is a input. And then we got a collection here. Let's see what we get. This one is a hidden one. Checkbox list hidden. No. Console. Well, it's interesting. Like this one says listed, start, title, token. But like, it's like here is that one. List is hidden, but I don't see the file. Login. Here we go. Type file, name equals thumbnail, ID equals thumbnail, class equals. It's like it doesn't see it or something. Maybe that's the problem. This should be show instead of F. Oh, you're trying to load that jam. Stop it. Thank you. Yeah, see now it says there's 6 and we have a thumbnail. Yeah, I think that was the issue. Glad I figured that out pretty quick because otherwise it would be really annoying. Thumbnail field is required. Are you serious? You didn't get it at that time? Thumbnail. Binary. What? Did I get it right? Multi-part / form data. Is that what I did? Yeah. Multi-part, ink type. Method post action. And the form is on it. What? Don't wait for a loop now. Okay, refresh page. Clear this. Put some stuff in here. Put some stuff in here. Choose our whip image. Okay, clear this. Great. Refresh token must be passed to interset access token. Okay, this is good. This means that it tried to create a stream in on YouTube and it couldn't. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. All right. I wanna look at the database. Yeah, so see, it's right here, 12.0 public, blah, 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 blah. This is good. This is real good. Thumbnail path, right. So the cool thing, what we can do, because we can like take my stream here, and we can like hijack this URL, and we can go back to the app, right, the test app. And it thinks this one's live or whatever, and we can like change this to be like, you know, new. And then we go in here to YouTube broadcast ID, and we paste this in here. We leave it as public. We change this to live, and bam. And if we go here, it actually loads this stream here. And since I'm logged into Google, we got that. And like sweet. Anyways, so yeah, looks like the image worked, and yeah. All right, so we fixed the create stream. We fixed this page. It now posts, and the error message is showing up, so that's good. Let's whip that. And the next one is like a harder one to do. Started 6 months ago. Funny. So if we say this is like in ready state, right? And then we refresh this. So this is here. And I think we want to go to like status. No, it's setup, I think. Ingestion address, non-object. Okay. Users. Is it settings? Yeah. User ID 1. YouTube live stream ID 1. Stream key 1. Ingestion address 1. Resolution 1080p. Ingestion address non-powered. User? Oh, user 22. There we go. Okay, so this is the next page that needs done, because as you can see, there's no inertia. So this one's going to be lots of fun. I really like my design of this page. I'm a little biased, obviously, but that's okay. Stream controller. Do we have a setup, or is it stream? I think it's stream test controller. And the show is here, and this is stream setup. Yep. So I think we need to do inertia render streams.setup, and we also need to pass the stream like this. And now resources.js, pages, streams, new file. Actually, I'm going to take my show. Yeah, let's take the show and save as setup. Okay, and then we shall probably delete a lot of this inside this layout file. And so layout stream title is stream setup. And stream setup here. So theoretically, if we go here, we get a console error. Cannot find, oh, because I did the dot again. I really hate that I did the dot. There we go. Good. Set blade. Okay, so just take all of this for now and drop it into this setup. It's probably not gonna work out well, but we can try. Yep, lots of issues. All right. Glue belt. Oh, look at this. I have this like whole secure text thing. I'm gonna have to recreate that. That sucks. All right, let's see. Partial secure text, stream status, partial status, stream status. So if is not ready. So v if stream.status not equal to ready. We're just gonna do that right now. Okay, that's good. So we'll just keep working this down here. Okay, 01. The if stream status is not equal to ready. So this now should be like a class. So like right, and then we can take this out. Paste decrease allowed. Save. Look at those round. Wow. Stream status is v if stream.status is equal to ready. And this is like a heck of a URL. Stream status. I think I just want to like streams status. So web, what's stream status? Stream status is stream status. So we'll just grab this. And the stream is the YouTube broadcast ID. And status is testing. So wait, web stream test. Stream test controller update. Update stream request status. So I guess it's question update or question status equals testing. And that should replicate that, I think. The else disabled test stream. Okay. Once again, another if not equal to ready. If stream status not equal to ready. It's equal to live or it's equal to complete. this point, I'm just trying to replicate this code. Another inline crap. No, I don't like this at all because of this. There's like a double quote there. Snooze has like already. Didn't I just do that? I think it's literally this here. Basically, cursor not allowed if stream says not equal to ready. Yeah. V if streamed out status is equal to testing. Alright, we still got issues, looks like. That's live. Okay, so if we go back up here to the other one, so this one is live. This one is complete. If stream.status is equal to live. Yes. Here's another cursor thing. It's equal to complete. Cursor not allowed. If it's equal to complete. Oh, look at that. Okay. Any more JavaScript errors? No. Okay, we're okay. So now, if I go into the table, go to streams, we change this one from ready to testing. Refresh page. Now we're here. And we got this partial thing. That's fine. Almost been going for an hour and a half. It's all good. Okay, just verifying go live. So if we say we're live, we refresh, then it should say complete stream. And if we change this to say complete, that's not how you spell complete. Then alter checked, and there we go. Okay. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, so now we need to get this partial secure text. So new file, secure text W. Temp. And then secure text blade. And see if we can get this done. Alright, so this is it here. This is clipboard.js. And some thing here. So data turn show false. So X data show false. I don't need to worry about that. So then we have some props here. We got text. So class hidden is show. So this would be more like if show hidden based on so false. Okay, so if not show. So this really should be like here, and this should be like if show, and then this is like v else, and then this is like text expression show. Yeah, so you click the show button, and then we set it in whatever. I don't. Are we actually doing anything with clipboard? I feel like we're not. I think I just want to move this to say show text. And we have a props, and the prop is text, and that's string. And we just put a method in here. Show text. And we say this dot show equals not this dot show, and then we set timeout, and then that's a function. This dot show equals false, and we do the requirements. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. And this should just be text. Yeah, okay, now we go back here. And we change this. So just an URL. So it should be secure text. And I think we can just do text equals auth user center. So it should be like page that auth that user dot setting dot ingestion address, maybe. And components we want to do. Yes. So this should be secure text. See, I don't think I want that. I just want to do this. Import secure text from that slash dot slash. Wow. No. Can't read an ingestion address of undefined. So what do we have on page? Props. Auth. User. No setting. Okay. So app service provider. Look at this. Okay, show. Oh, show's not working. Show. Okay. Show text is not defined. Are you sure? Method. Show text. Click show text. What? Methods? Perfect. Setting string key. And then we need a status thing. String status. Let's make sure settings. Stream key and ingest add. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really? My timer's not working? Lame. This show extends the timeout function. This show it doesn't false. Oh, it's probably. Nice. All right. Should be in pages, so file stream status to view. Partial status. Oh wow. And I just went silent for a while. I got in the zone. All in my head. Forgot I was streaming. Honestly. Yeah. Terrible. Sorry about that. Alright. Stream's ready. We're just making sure this works. Live. Live shows red. And testing shows yellow. And I think that's all. Good. So there's the status. And now we need the video, which could be interesting. We have some params here. Alright, well, let's create a new component, new file. Stream.video.view. So, get our thing here. So we have video ID and parameters. Video blade. So stream video, paste this in here. Z, okay. So basically we're building a URL. So I think we're gonna do props, and we're gonna have video ID, and that is a string, and params, there's a string, and then we're gonna do a computed, not like that, we're not. Then we're gonna do a URL, and that's gonna return this guy here. This is gonna be plus this dot video. No, not like that. This dot video ID plus, and then params plus this dot params, and then the source is just going to be equal to like this, stream video. Okay, set up. So stream video. So we have video ID, which is equal to stream.broadcast ID, and then we have params, which is equal to this here. And okay, stream video, we don't have a component for it, that's fine. Let's import it. That is not stream video. Autoplay was one import. How did I get the import messed up? Are you serious right now? Did I hit paste instead of stream video? Okay, and look, it's showing the preview of what I'm currently working on, which is perfect. Obviously, a couple seconds behind, but that's the idea. The other thing I want to do is add a reload button here, which let's see, JS reload iframe. Best way to reload, refresh an iframe, document content with okay. So I wonder if I can just do this and add, let's try this, because basically I want a reload button here because sometimes it doesn't show up immediately, like when you're first working on it. And so maybe like adding like a reload, no, this needs to be a method, methods, reload, some frame ID. So I think we might be able to do ref. I really don't want to do an ID here. No, we could probably just do this video ID like this. So like ID equals stream plus video ID. Right? And so this element ID equals stream underscore plus this video ID. Just gonna reload, and then if we add like a little button, and that says reload, text extra small, and add click equals reload, and it's gone. Like it's there, but the iframe is kicking out, so validative. Here it is. If we click this, block the frame with origin from accessing across origin frame. I can't reload a frame that's in another. Some of this stuff really annoys me. JS reload iframe. Reload cross origin. Should we do like a VF show is reloading, and we just like, you know, do something like this. Reloading is false, and then we just do like a this that is reloading equals true, and then this dot or set timeout function, comma, like just 2 seconds, and then we say does this work? VF is reloading. Is there is false? There we go. So it's here. If we click this, looks like it'll work, but one. Yeah. Not bad, not bad. So just like flex. Justify end. Reload, yep, merge top 1. 32. It's good enough, I don't know why it'd be something like this when you're looking at it. Yeah. Alrighty. Well, I think this is working pretty well. What I probably need to do is pull real stream codes down here and make sure these things are actually changing the status. I think most of this is switched over. We got the register, we got all this stuff. Getting pretty close to having this inertia stuff done. Privacy policy needs to change. That should be pretty simple. Yeah. Alright, well, I am gonna wrap up here. Been streaming for an hour and 45 minutes. I'm pretty tired. It's almost midnight in like 20 seconds. So I'm gonna hop off here. But thanks for joining. And yeah, we'll catch you next time. Adios.